Welcome to this tutorial on how to add maps to WordPress in 2025. In this guide you will discover each step of the process clearly and concisely, ensuring that you can follow along and integrate a map into your website easily. This tutorial was created by Gerix Paul de Lima and is designed to be completed quickly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the main website of WordPress. Once you have reached WordPress, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. After you click on the login area, the next stage involves signing in. Instead of entering your credentials manually, you will choose the option to continue with a well-known account provider. In this case, look for the button that allows you to continue with a popular email service, choose the relevant account from the list that appears and confirm your selection. This method helps streamline the login process, ensuring you can access the necessary features promptly without wasting any time. Once you have successfully logged into your WordPress account, your next task is to locate the quick links section. Within this area, you should find an option labeled Edit Site. Select this option to proceed into the editing interface where you can modify your website content. This user-friendly area is designed to help you navigate all available editing tools without any unnecessary clutter. After entering the editing mode, your attention will shift to locating the tool responsible for inserting new elements into your page layout. To achieve this, move to the top left corner of the screen where you should see a plus icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a variety of different blocks and modules that you can add to your site. This intuitive method allows you to enhance your website without needing complex coding skills. With the block insertion tool now available in front of you, a search bar will appear to assist you in finding the element you need. Type the word map into this search bar to filter your options. This ensures that you are directed specifically to the map feature, rather than scrolling through unrelated modules. The search functionality streamlines the process by focusing solely on the element that is pertinent to your needs. Once the map element appears on the screen, simply click on it to add it to your website. This action integrates the map module into your page layout, allowing you to configure it as needed for your website visitors. At this stage, you now have the foundation in place for displaying geographical information right on your WordPress site. To finalize your work, be sure to save your progress. Look to the top right corner of the interface where you will see the Save option. By clicking on Save, you ensure that all of your changes, including the newly added map, are preserved. This confirmation is vital as it commits your edits permanently to your website, making the changes live for your audience to appreciate. Follow these instructions carefully and you will have successfully added an interactive map to your WordPress site. Enjoy the enhanced functionality that comes along with displaying geographical data directly on your web page, offering your visitors a richer, more engaging experience.